Is it good?
It's awesome. It's spectacular.
Alright, sorry I have to go because I'm shooting a makeup tutorial today.
Oh, what are you working on?
Pretty in pink look.
Oh, awesome.
Alright, well I'll see you later then.
Yeah, bye. Good luck. So, yeah.
There! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a pretty in pink makeup tutorial. What the heck is happening? Change of plans. The on-fleek eyebrow days are over. Flatten your eyebrows using a glue stick. To create the appearance of detailing skin, take a tissue and separate the sheets, then rip it into pieces. Pour some clear liquid latex into a bowl and dip the ripped tissue into it. Place it just below your cheekbone and flatten down the edges. Take another piece of tissue, squeeze off excess liquid if it's too wet, and place it under the hollow of your cheek. Also one across the nose, and leave a gap in the middle. Use a sponge to add latex around the tissue to fade it out. Then press on some latex on other areas to give your face that rocky texture. And to the chest as well. When the latex has dried, wipe away any sign of healthy complexion by applying Kryolan TV stick in white to your whole face and chest to give yourself that fresh from the grave glow. And use a concealer brush to get into the trickier areas. You want it to look like sunlight has never touched your skin. Leave out the gaps between the tissues. They say your eyes are the mirror to your soul, so make them look flat and hollow like mine. Use a black core liner on your eyelids and under your eyes and add extra shadows. Keep it looking messy. Use a blending brush to smooth the edges. Pat a matte black eyeshadow, leaving out outer areas. Use gray cream makeup and pat it around your face and chest. And pat on some with your fingers as well. Then do the same using a brown cream color and draw some in the grooves of the tissue for depth. Also in the big gaps. Then I'm using a stippling brush to apply the same colors. Do the same steps to all exposed skin. Use the gray green color to contour, followed by the dark brown. As light as a spider's touch, draw veins coming out of the black eyes. Use a black cream color and apply with a thin eyeliner brush. Draw a slightly wavy line and some small ones coming out from it. Use your fingers to tap any harsh edges to soften them. I'm not a fan of colors, but I'm using burgundy color matte lip liner in Night Moth lightly as additional veins. For the lips, I'm using matte black eyeliner, followed by Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in black ink to draw lines out.
Oh, that feels good. Thanks.
You're welcome, boo. That we got best friends for.